Is your dog's breath a biohazard? It's not their fault. Bad breath screams dental disease. Here's the secret: dental chews can be game changers. Look for chews with the Veterinary Oral Health Council VOC seal. Seriously, these chews mechanically scrape plaque and tartar. Think toothbrush but tastier. Plus, good dental chews stimulate saliva production. Natural mouthwash, boom. Skip the cheap stuff. Harmful ingredients. No thanks. Want a happy dog with a healthy mouse? It's easier than you think. What are your favorite dog dental chews? Drop M below.